We're doing it on Omega. Episode 404, Part 1. DRYTRON versus TRI-BRIDAGE. I lose this one. Ooh, he ashed me. Then I called by. Then he ghost spell. What? This guy has so many hand traps. Zeta Tribute Alpha, add medium DRYTRON. Delta Tribute Alpha. Reveal, draw a card. Going for the Verte Dragoon. Copy the Red Eyes Fusion, pay 2000. Dragoon. And that's it. Fractal, I ashed that. Any scoop? Let's duel wins. And then he came back 2 and 3, part 2 and 3. Why? No! Goes first. It's gonna fractal, send kit. Kit, send Nerval, add Karis. Cat. Karis and X-Saber Arabellum. Synchroed for Natria Beast. Karis, send Nerval. Effect, banish 2 for Bearbrum. Those 2 for Rugal. Bearbrum's effect, add the Revolt and put back a card to the bottom of the deck. He sets the Revolt. And yeah. Nova. The Trio Beast sending those 2, top 2, right? Sending top cards, yeah. Link 2, or actually Link 3, Orange Light, discard Diviner. Negate, effect goes through. Getting Alpha, what the heck is this? Nerval, what? Okay. Fractal. Karibo, Alpha. Ooh, ashed me. Zeta Delta. Medium DRYTRON. Delta, Tribute, Reveal, Draw. Probably should have went for Natasha, but I don't have a Cyber Angel to banish to revive back Natasha. Should I go for the Dragoon and he just Revolt, summon 4, immediately ring summoned for Shureg, banishing the Verte. Reborn Karibo. That's all I could do. I mean, I could have summoned this guy up, but he doesn't even have higher attack than this guy. Fractal. 1, 2, 3 for Deagle. Shureg effect, banish. If a beast is special summon. If this a special summon or another beast, special summon to your field. Access code, access code. Attack, attack. Oh, Figgy wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. 404 part 3. I go first and not so good. This guy had a bunch of hand traps. Went through Cyber Emergency, get an Alpha. Troll and Lockbird. That's okay. Alpha Tribute Draconids did not get the because Troll and Lockbird. I cannot add. I was gonna add Benten, but I can't add nothing, so going for Verte, paying 2000, copy Red Eyes Fusion, and it improned me. That's all I could do. That's all I could do. Draw phase immediately. Lancia. Set a card, end his turn. I'm like, come on, let's go. Nothing. Or well, they had something, but he had something all the time. Hand traps. 500 direct with the Anaconda. It's gonna draw. Normal some Karis. Karis destroy. I take 700. Ida 10. Alpha Ida 10. Another ghost spell. Jeez. That's all I can do. I end. He draws. Battles. Karis direct for 12. Come on. Monster Reborn. What do? I reborn back. Lancia. Destroy. Inflict. Draw phase. Lancia. Tribute itself. He can't banish. He normal summons a fractal. Attacks for 19. I take. He activates effect. He sends this card to the graveyard to send Kit. Kit's gonna send Nerval. Nerval is gonna add Kit. Sets a card, ends his turn. I draw. Actually, orange light. I set orange light to protect my life points. He activates on end phase. Revolt. Revolt. Shureg. Shureg. Chainlink 1. Chainlink 2. Kit. Chainlink 3. Nerval. Nerval's gonna add the fractal. Kit's gonna dump the Karis. Shureg's gonna banish orange light when he draws. And he's just gonna direct Shureg, finish him. Thought I had a chance. Come on, let's see his deck. Come on. He does have a deck, yes. 404. Let the net decking begin. Where were we? Still at silver? Still at silver. We were at 1180, 1160 now. Come on, 404. How many hand traps you got? 404. Here we go. Clean 40. Yeah, he is running the. Wow. Let the net decking begin. Triple cross out designator. Triple revolt. I was like, no, Apollosa. Apollosa's right there. Not bad, not bad. We were at 259. Still at 259. Comment, share, like if you saw a bit, sub if you liked it. See you guys.